Deciding whether to restore original trim or replace it will determine your exterior painting budget and the historical integrity of the house. Restoring trim starts with a close inspection for soft rot by probing with a screwdriver and measuring moisture levels with a moisture meter set below 20% before repairs. For small to moderate damage, use an epoxy consolidant to penetrate and strengthen remaining wood. Then sculpt epoxy patching compound to match the original profile. Follow manufacturer cure times and sand progressively with 150 to 240 grit for a smooth surface before priming. When replacement is necessary, remove damaged sections carefully to preserve surrounding material and replicate the original profile by copying it with cardboard templates or digital calipers. Then source like-for-like profiles in rot. Resistant materials such as clear vertical grain, cedar, or cellular PVC, size to match original thickness and reveal. Fasten new pieces with stainless steel or silicone bronze finish nails and back them with stainless steel screws in concealed locations to control movement. Then apply a penetrating oil-based primer on raw wood or a high build primer on synthetic materials to stabilize the substrate. Use a quality 2-coat top system of acrylic latex paint for flexibility and ultraviolet resistance, and keep total film thickness within manufacturer recommendations to avoid peeling. Apply brush and back roll technique on trim for even coverage, and to push paint into joints. Keep detailed photos and templates of original profiles and paint stratigraphy before any replacement so you can reproduce historic details later and maintain curb appeal continuity. Common mistakes include assuming all softwood must be replaced, which drives cost and destroys historic fabric. So use a consolidant for salvageable areas to save money and retain character. Another issue is matching profiles poorly, which looks off after painting. So always copy profiles with templates and measure depth and OG details before ordering stock trim. A third problem is inadequate priming and painting, which leads to premature failure. So always prime raw wood and cut edges. Use compatible primers for the substrate and apply 2 proper top coats with attention to end grain. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors for exterior painting and trim work, and it also helps contractors find new projects that match their skills. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share detailed advice, photos, and vendor experiences to make better decisions about restoring or replacing trim.